HobbyKidsTV.
Hey boys and girls, welcome to HobbyKidsTV. Today we're gonna build a log cabin. I was wondering if you can build this for my sister. Well, yeah, sure, but we're gonna need some help building this. We think it would be so awesome if we can help you. Yeah, I totally agree, I can help.
Apple, banana.
Alright boys and girls, let's open it up and see what's inside! Yay! Hi-ya! Good job! Okay, I'm gonna go around back and push it over. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Yahoo!
Uh-oh.
Oh, cool!
Open the bag.
Yeah, open up the bags. Hey guys, look over here! Woohoo! I'm gonna do a backflip! Oh no! Ah! Hey Emmet, are you okay? I landed on my butt.
Bottom.
Alright guys, keep coming down with the roof. Keep coming down. Beep, beep, beep. Ah! I'm gonna get crushed by the roof. I'm yelling timber. I'm going down. Not awesome. Woo! That was a fun ride.
Bubble.
Woohoo! Looks good, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful, but it's missing one thing. That's right, ice and snow. Woohoo!
Yippee! Snow!
I just love Play-Doh snow. Look at my footprints! Yay! Oh, I'm so glad you like it. Queen Anna, I'm not a snowman. I'm Emmet. Please get me out of here. I am not Olaf. I'm freezing. You silly little man. Hey boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed building this Lincoln log set here with me, and thank you so much for your help. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out more awesome videos on our fun variety playlist on our channel, HobbyKidsTV. See you later! Click on one of these next videos for more awesome fun! Thanks for watching! Bye-bye!